In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an Upstream O2 sensor in a 4.7 liter Grand Cherokee. So here we have the Bank 2 Upstream O2 sensor. I'm going to follow that harness up to the connector, which is right here above the frame where the motor mount is attached. And I'm going to squeeze that tab and pull down. There's the connector. We'll use the O2 sensor socket. So with my ratchet on there, I'm going to bring that sensor down right over that, put that socket right over that sensor, and then I'm going to break that sensor free from the exhaust. Once you break it free, just keep turning the ratchet and socket around. Until it comes out. So now you can take that O2 sensor out the rest of the way with your hand. There we go. Now before installing the new O2 sensor, I like to take a wire brush and just get all burrs or anything rust on that surface. I want a nice clean seat for my new O2 sensor. I want that crush washer to seat nice and evenly. TRQ O2 sensors are kind enough to come with already an anti-seize on the threads. That's perfect. It's exactly what you want. You can hand thread this, start it. Take your O2 sensor socket, bring it over the top, line up the base, and go ahead and tighten that up. I'm going to give it a quarter of a turn once it bottoms out, and that way I can make sure that that crush washer gets seated properly. So now I'm going to take the O2 sensor and the car harness, and we have the male and the female connectors, line them up, and squeeze it till it clicks. Make sure it's tucked up out of the way, and put it on that mounting clip. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.